Welcome to Make Life Smart. Security used to mean a person, a flashlight, and a long, quiet night hoping nothing happened. Now it means a robot that never stops watching, an AI that recognizes a face in a fraction of a second, and a camera that flies through your home on its own. 5 AI security robots, all real, all already on duty. This is what security looks like now. Number 1. The patrol robot built to replace the hardest shift on the schedule, Ascento Guard 2.0, a two-wheeled, self-balancing security robot that patrols large outdoor and indoor properties autonomously, covering ground no single human guard could realistically cover on foot, night after night without fatigue setting in. Thermal cameras, object and motion detection, real-time alerts sent directly to a security team the moment something unusual appears. It navigates complex environments, parking structures, warehouses, campuses, adjusting its route based on what it sees, not a fixed, pre-programmed loop. Where a human guard might take a break, get distracted by a phone, or simply lose focus after hour 6 of an 8-hour shift, Ascento Guard 2.0 maintains the exact same level of vigilance from the first minute of patrol to the last. The overnight shift is consistently the hardest one to staff, the easiest one for fatigue to compromise. Ascento Guard 2.0 doesn't get tired at 3 a.m. It patrols exactly the same way at the end of the night as it did at the start of it, and that consistency is the entire advantage. Human guards are still part of the equation, reviewing alerts, making judgment calls, responding to what the robot flags. But the exhausting part, the constant walking, the endless watching, the hours where nothing happens until suddenly something does, that part belongs to Ascento now. Number 2. The robot already on patrol across American parking lots and campuses. Knightscope K7, a fully autonomous security robot designed for outdoor environments, license plate recognition, thermal imaging, two-way communication, and live video streaming to a security operations center in real time. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't take breaks. It covers the same ground at 2 a.m. that it covers at 2 p.m. with the same level of attention. Standing roughly 5 feet tall, weighing several hundred pounds, it's a visible presence on its own, the kind that makes most people think twice before testing a property's security. Deployed across shopping centers, corporate campuses, and parking facilities throughout the country, Knightscope K7 isn't a concept or a pilot program. It's already the security presence at properties most people walk past every single day without realizing a robot is the one watching. It doesn't replace every part of human security. It replaces the part that's hardest for a human to sustain. Hours of repetitive patrolling across acres of parking lots in every kind of weather without a single lapse in attention. Human guards respond to what K7 sees. K7 never stops seeing. Number 3. The security system that doesn't just watch, it actively stops intruders. PaintCam Eve. Most security cameras record what happened after the fact. PaintCam Eve does something no camera alone can do. AI-powered facial recognition identifies whether someone approaching your property is authorized or unrecognized. And if the system determines an intrusion is happening, it fires non-lethal paintball rounds at the intruder, marking them for identification while simultaneously alerting you and authorities. It's not a deterrent that hopes someone notices a camera. It's an active response system that does something the moment something goes wrong, combining recognition, decision-making, and physical response into a single unbroken chain of action. For properties where a passive camera has never felt like enough, PaintCam Eve is security that actually intervenes. A human guard can only be in one place at one time, and even then, hesitation costs precious seconds the moment something actually happens. PaintCam Eve doesn't hesitate. It identifies, decides, and acts faster than any response time a person could match. Number 4. The security camera that doesn't stay in one place. Ring Always Home Cam. The world's first autonomous flying indoor security camera. A small drone that docks on their wall, then launches and patrols your home on a preset flight path the moment motion is detected. No blind spots, no fixed angle covering only one corner of one room. Every space the flight path covers checked in real time whenever something triggers it. It only records while in flight, meaning your privacy is protected the instant it returns to the dock. Most security cameras see one wall. The Always Home Cam sees your entire house, flying exactly where the alert came from the moment it happens. A human guard walking your halls overnight would do roughly the same job, except this one costs a fraction of a salary, never calls in sick, and docks itself quietly back on the wall the moment the patrol is complete. Number 5. The robot that patrols your home the way a person would if that person never needed sleep. Amazon Astro. A home patrol robot that moves through your space autonomously, learning the layout of every room, recognizing family members, and monitoring for anything unusual while you're away. Set it to patrol on a schedule or send it to check a specific room the moment an alert comes in from anywhere in the house. It has a periscope camera that extends upward, checking counters, high shelves, and angles a fixed camera would never capture. Two-way communication lets you talk through Astro from anywhere, checking on a pet, a family member, or just confirming everything is fine while you're at work. It avoids obstacles, recognizes the difference between a family member and a stranger, and adapts its route as the home changes around it. Furniture moved, new pets added, rooms rearranged. Most home security is a collection of fixed cameras covering fixed angles, hoping the angle they chose is the one that matters. Astro doesn't hope. It moves, checking every room, every angle, the way a person patrolling your home actually would. The difference is a security system that thinks, moves, and responds, instead of one that just records and waits. A night watchman does exactly this, walking room to room, checking that everything is where it should be. Astro does the same patrol on the same schedule every single night, without ever needing a single hour of sleep to do it. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.